Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARLZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price has made a very nice move. I mean, when you consider where it was not that long ago around here, and now you look at where the price is closing up there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls have definitely made a very nice bounce. But this does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that is down here at 45 cents, which is actually this line and brings about our first update, which is based on a foundational rule in charting stating when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see the MACD as support. So for those of you that watched the video from a few days ago, hopefully remember this, me talking about this as resistance. But now that the price is above there, that's a very important line. Why is that so important? Well, just from a logical perspective it is. Why do I say that? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements that do have true power, that do have genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has true power, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 45. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength at all. However, let's say the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a base of lows right there. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as levels of resistance, nothing to really talk about here other than just reiterating that this red line that I put up previously right around 52, 53 did indeed play out as resistance. So not patting myself on the back, but definitely patting charts on the back. If you don't believe me, I promise I have not moved that red line. But there it is right there. And I'm not saying that 52, 53 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying that apparently according to the story of the chart that it's telling us, the bulls really are going to need to bring their A game to not only fight through that level, but then also be able to get some closes up above it. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.